Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this I was trying to say since so many days, since I was on a break for my wedding. So as you can see, I'm married now and I'm at my new house. So I wanted to share something with you that was very important for me during this wedding season. So that is red lipsticks. So as you know, brides are incomplete without red lipsticks, I must say. So all the brides have some of their favorite red lipsticks with them always during the wedding. So these are the ones that I have. I have them since a long time. When I use them, I have shown them in my videos as well. So yeah, if you are interested in knowing my favorite red lipsticks, then let's get started. So let's start off with a very affordable option. So this is the one by NYB. So this is the NYB normal bullet lipstick. You call it NYB lipstick. It's in the shade number 20 and its name is Dazzling Donna. So this is how the packaging looks like, very simple packaging. And this is the shade. So as you can see, it's a rusty orangey red. So this is how the shade looks like. And it is more of a creamy matte than a matte. I have both types of lipsticks. So these are basically top 7 because these are all I have and these are all I like and use. So this is kind of an everyday red, you can say. So I'll just apply it. It's very hard to apply. It's a little bit like crayon. So as you can see, it is heavily towards the orange side, not more on the red. So it would not suit dusky skin tones. It would suit normal to medium skin tones, fair to medium basically. And it is creamy matte as I said, but it's very hard texture, like you have to rub it on your lips. So that's that. So transfer test if we do, so see, it transfers completely. So that was our first lipstick, but it is very affordable, like under ₹100 you will get it on various websites like purple.com. You'll get it. So you can definitely try out if you are under a budget. So now let's talk about lipstick number 2. So the next lipstick we have is again from purple.com, but this is from Purple brand. This one is a lip crayon and it is my first lip crayon and you can say my most favorite lip crayon till now. So the formula of this one is very good. Like it is more than a liquid lipstick. Like liquid lipstick can also budge, but this won't budge from your lips at all. So I'll just give you a swatch. First one also I did not give you a swatch like for reference. So here it is. So this is the first one. So it is more orangey and this one is proper red shade, you can say. It will suit all skin tones very well. So this is how it looks like. And it is, you can say, creamy to matte formula. It does not come off easily at all. Like you have to have an oil based remover to remove this. Then it is drying. It will dry out your lips completely. But it's non-sticky and it stays on for a really long time. So I'll just do a transfer test. So as you can see, nothing transfers. It stays on. It's a powder matte formula basically, and this one was priced at around 300 to 350. So on that price you can get it. So this was the older version. Now you get a newer version of this. So this was shade number 1 from Never to Forever. And this is how it looks. It suits my skin tone very well. So I love this lipstick. So that was our second product. So the third product that we have is more of a recent buy and a recent launch. So this is the Swiss Beauty lipsticks. So this is in the shade 14 Pop Red. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very similar to the Huda Beauty one. So I recently purchased this and reviewed this on my channel. So this is how the bullet looks like. The bullet broke by mistake, as you can see. So it's very delicate lipstick. So I'll just swatch it for you. The swatch, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, it's a little bit darker than the other two and more of towards maroonish red. This is how it looks like. So I'll just apply it. So this is how it looks like. So as I told you, it's more of a maroonish red. So that's how it looks. It's not that pigmented, I must say. It's not that long lasting. It's also creamy matte, and it does transfer. As you can see, it does transfer. And yeah, the price range is also around 300. So I would not recommend you to go for this specifically. But in this, if other shades you like, so you can check out the other shades and try them out. Let's move on to our next lipstick. So the other one which we have is very affordable, more affordable than the NYB one. So this is the Insight Cosmetics liquid lipstick. So this is how it looks like, and this is in the shade 06 Angel Red. So this shade is the dupe of MAC Ruby Woo. So you must be knowing MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. It's a super famous lipstick, and the shade is also very unique. So this is the one, very similar. So this one retails for just 75 rupees. It's available on Amazon, so you can purchase it from there, and it's a very creamy liquid lipstick. So this is how the swatch looks like. As you can see, the pigmentation is very good. The quality also seems good in swatch itself. So this one does not dry out your lips, is very pigmented, and it's also you know, unique kind of a shade. So I'll just apply it and I'll show you how it looks. So that's how the shade looks like. It's more of a maroonish red, and best product is the price. So at this price, if you're getting such a good product, then you should definitely try it out. It has a lot of different shades to choose from, so you can definitely choose one for you. So yeah, this one is highly recommended. This is in the shade 06. So that was our 4th lipstick. Now we are left with 3 more. So another one is from Blue Heaven. So this is the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Weightless Liquid Matte. So this is also one of my recent purchases. I have shared a review already, you can check. So I have 2 shades from here. So one is a nude and one is red. So specifically I brought this for this video. So this is kind of in the favorites list. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It's a liquid lipstick, and this one is also super affordable. So this one also retails for 115, but always available on discounts. So I'll just swatch it over here. So as you can see, the color is a little bit different than the other ones. So this is more of a dark red. So I'll just apply it and I'll be. So the formula on this one is a little bit more thick than the Insight one, and the shade is also a little bit different, as you can see from the swatches already. So it's a little bit darker red, and this is how it looks on me. And I would personally say that this is having a little bit yucky smell, I would say. But if that's not an issue for you, then definitely go for this one. This is easily available on various websites. So all the links I'll be giving in the description box below, so you can check it out. So this one I had kept with me for my wedding day, but I did not apply this. I applied something else. But this one is a good lipstick. You can see it's very weightless. You will not feel anything on the lips. It's not transparent. See, this is from before. So this does not transfer. It's very lightweight, as you can see. The formula is very good. So definitely try out this one as well. So let's move on to the next lipstick we have is this. This is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So this is my old purchase, but I really like this one. So this one is retails for 295. The Blue Heaven one was for 115. This one was 295. It's also super affordable, and you can say a very good brand, Lakme, as you guys know. This is the swatch of the lipstick. So you must be thinking all look same, but no, every color has a different hint. Some have hints of blue, some have hints of pink, some have hints of maroon. So this one is a proper red shade, and this is how the bottle looks like, and this is the applicator. So this one is also very creamy and non-transfer and long lasting. This one does not have any particular smell, but this one is very lightweight also and does not feel heavy. And this one I used I applied it on my mehendi day, and it was there till the evening. So this stays very well. It does not budge off if you eat something. And this is from Lakme, so that's the best part. So you can definitely try out this one as well. This is shade number 01, Red Carpet. So now we are left with the last lipstick, and that also is a little bit on the pricier side. So this one is the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick. So this is how it looks. It's in the shade number 17, Grateful Red. So this one comes in this kind of a bullet, and it's more of a liquid lipstick formula in a bullet. So this is the size that you get, a good quantity you get. But this one is a little bit pricey. It's priced at around $6.99. So you have to keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's a very good lipstick. I'll just apply it and I'll show you. First, I'll just show you the swatch. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. This also has a pink undertone to it. So I'll just apply it. So this is how it looks like. So it is very creamy formula and in the bullet, but settle down to proper matte finish, and it's long lasting and it does not dry out the lips. So it's transfer proof as well. So yeah, this is our last lipstick, and I hope you like the video, the lipsticks. If you want to buy any of them, you can definitely go ahead. I'll give the links in the description box below. And yeah, I have swatched 7 lipsticks, that too red, for you guys. So you can definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, sorry for missing out on videos because I was super busy, but now I have started it again and hope to give you good videos. And in return, I would like to have just a little bit of likes and shares from your side. So yeah, take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.